Hello. Hi. Today we're going to talk about JavaScript, ArcGIS JavaScript. Find out there's a really tricky one. I tried to figure out for a long time, but it didn't. I finally figured it out. Is a silly thing. Is when you try to do query, you want to create a query task, and then you will give a URL, and in the URL, you want to give a link, and the issue is, like with all the links, they have like, if trying to find the link, like your features, it's this one, right? You basically it's this one. If you open a map, you can show what it is in here. That's basically usually what we do. But for this URL, it's different. You actually gonna, instead of this overall feature server one, you want to click trail 0. You want to make sure it's a layer. So that's a key, okay? You want to make sure it's a layer. So type is a feature layer. You have to make sure that it's right, okay? You don't want to do this one, because if you do this one, there will be no results. Okay, that's why I will try to figure out this, but it won't work until I add this 0 thing. Okay, but to be honest, if trying to load, like say add the features in there, you can use this. If you can see here, where the it's actually here. See, this link doesn't have to have that 0. Okay, as long as there's feature server. If you're trying to add create a feature layer, right, you can use this one. But if you want to use query task, you have to go back in the layers, click this, and then use this one with a 0, or even or 1 or whatever. So that's really tricky thing, but I finally figured it out. Just remember that when this was done, then you can start to, this is a task, then you can start to have results. Okay. The other thing is, the other tricky thing is, if you want to do some, you want to use this, console to try to figure out what's the results. You either, the two ways, either you do console log, so you can figure out, okay, what is generated, or you can, in the beginning, so because all the GIS is all start with this require function, so everything is a function, okay. But if you want to see what is going on, you have to use let search widget, okay. You have to do it that way. So that's kind of a tricky thing. Then you can start to come over here. You go to search widget, then they will show up right away. Okay. So two things. Thank you.